My name is Rohini and I'm a grad student at Santa Clara University. I started this fall. I came here because it's at the best of all the locations. It's at Silicon Valley and we have industry experts coming here and teaching a lot of courses. I'm taking engineering management and leadership. I'm switching my course from electronics and computer science to engineering management because I hope to see myself in the management position 5 years down the lane. And this college is really good for management and all of those computer science fields. And you don't really need to have a very great score like the standards of Stanford or any Ivy League college to get into this university, or in fact any university. You just need to have some decent GRE and TOEFL scores to get here. I'd say if you have about 300 to 310, then you're safe enough, and if you have a TOEFL score anything above 100, that is good. And if you prepare well in advance and like plan out what universities you want to go for, or like how you want to like really plan your future, that's a very good way to start. And then you don't really need to go to any counseling centers to get into a university here. All you need to do is take these exams and then write an essay as to why you want to come here. You have a lot of websites online that help you do it, and then talk to some seniors and they'll really be able to guide you. This is the basic preparation that you need before you come here, and after you come here it's just like how it used to be there. Only difference is that it's a very flexible schedule. You can choose your classes, you can choose what terms you want to go into, you can choose what teachers you want, you can choose, I mean, it's completely up to you, and there are a lot of people helping you out. There are a lot of organizations that help you, so it's very nice. I mean, all you need to do is only study and make the best of all you have.
Okay, do you have any favorite courses?
I just started, so I don't really know too much about the courses here, but I'm taking a few courses that I kind of enjoy. It's more of a team discussion, it's more of an interactive course, so I really like that. They take a lot of feedback from students and do value everything that we offer to them, so it's very nice.
Okay, do you have done any internship until
No,
now?
I haven't done any internships, and you don't really need it per se, but if you have it, it's good enough. I mean, it's good to have an industry experience before you join any university or anywhere, actually speaking. It's good to have some industry experience.
Okay, any new advice for the new applications, startup new applications?
No, just decide why you want to come here, and that's all you need to know. If you know why you want this, then that's like 90% of the job done. Everything else just falls into place once you take everything in a systematic order.
So here the funding is good or right? No.
So one thing you need to keep in mind when you apply to universities is to see what kind of university it is. So this university, Santa Clara, is a private university. Private universities are generally expensive, but when you actually compare it with other universities, being an international student, it actually doesn't matter too much. The place matters, the state matters, and the industry matters, but everything else, it's pretty much the same. So you'd rather come and spend money here where everything is good. The class size is lesser, so you get more to interact with people, so it's better you spend money in the better way, or just go and be a part of the crowd where you might not actually end up learning anything.
Okay, thank you.